Just making some coffee. Yes, sir. All right. Oh, well, hey guys, and welcome back. This time we are back in Greenville. It's been like so long, forever. Yeah, we are here now in Greenville to do, well, we got to go do a little trip for some FFA kids at the school. But anyways, we are going to get right into that now. Just had to drink me some coffee, you know, get my morning started off here. But lock the door, lock it back. We don't want anybody coming inside. But yeah, here's our truck right here. This is our Ford 6-up. But yeah, F-250. Yes, sir. I'm gonna start it up. Man, that started something really good on this truck. But yeah, we gotta hurry up and get those kids up so we can go ahead and take them out. And while we're at it, we'll go ahead and do a pre-trip before we get everything situated with the kids. So yeah. But here's our little neighborhood that I'm living in here. Alright, open the gates. Thank you guys. Alright. We're gonna try to take things nice and easy here, but yeah. Should have looked both ways. Yeah, we're good to go. Alright. Simple as pie. The speed limit should be like 55. Yeah, it says it right there. We should go ahead and merge though. Look at that. It's interesting build. And that's the new truck in the game too. Yeah, some of the stuff in the game now has been like, well, revamped or not licensed because they took Dodge out of Greenville, unfortunately. But that's all right. This is still a pretty cool update. And yeah, that truck back there, that thing is pretty sweet. I need to probably get me a little bit more money so I can buy it again. I bought it and I took a look at it, but yeah. Anyways, I'm getting myself too caught up ahead here. Alright, we're good to go. So the school is right up here though. We're almost there to the bus. We're gonna be driving Thomas C2, I believe. Yeah, Thomas bus C2. Ooh, speed limit says 25. Kind of rugged there. That's fine though. I mean, there's no cops, so no stopping. Alright, well, we made it to school, but our bus should be around in the back here, and we'll go ahead and pull up, pick up the kids in the front here. They should be waiting on us. It looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah. Alright, so here's our bus right here. This, of course, is a Thomasville built bus, actually. And, yeah, it's a C2, obviously. We're gonna be running it. We gotta hurry up though, and we gotta do this free trip. So let's go ahead and fire her up, shall we? Alright, so make sure the hazards are working. Make sure the flashers are working. I'll get there. What about the red ones? Red flashers are working. We're good. Quick inspection around the bus real quick. Check the engine. So we got some coolant up there, in there. Alright. About the back. I'll get here. Back lights are working. Yes, sir. I think we are all good to go. Let's go ahead and get these kids though. Oh yeah. One important thing, turn on your beacon. There you go. Alright. Now we're talking. Alright, 10-4. This is route 96-22. I currently have to go get some kids and take them out to an FFA filter. Alright, there we go. Well, the kids are getting loaded up, so pretty simple as that. I hope the day clears up though. It's only like 2:57. These kids might be back around like 5. So I better hurry up and get these kids there. Seriously. Alright. I think if we take this road down here, yeah, it should take us to the fairgrounds. We should be good there. Let's try not to do anything illegal. Oh my god, the speed limit is 35 out here too. Holy. I'm trying to get the kids over there. It's only 3:28. Oh boy. We're just gonna ignore that. Alright. Now we're good to go. Alright, well, here we go, guys. Time lapse. It looks like we made it. Alright. Really, it wasn't that far away. Alright, well, kids got some time to spare. Cut out the bus there. And there we go. Well, we'll let the kids do their thing and have fun. I'll catch you guys in a bit until it's like 5 o'clock. Alright. Well, we are all good to go. Time to get these kids back. They had their fun taking a look at the tractors and whatnot there. You know, all the agriculture equipment and whatnot. Yeah, it turns out they had to walk all the way down there. Go see the tractors. Just like, well, this is the park entryway, so yeah. Going in the wrong way. That's fine though. Ooh, what? Ooh, careful not to hit the curb there. Alright, hang on, boys and girls. Ooh, here we go. Looks like the kids are gonna be heading home late, I'm assuming. Yeah. Oh, I mean, at least they had their fun. Everybody's happy. So yeah. Maybe I should try doing bus routes and whatnot. I think that would be interesting. And we made it back. Safe and sound. Get these kids off the bus here. y'all have fun or have a good night, Axel. Y'all take care. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and park the bus back. We're gonna head on out of here and end off the video. Ooh boy. Go ahead and back it up. And there we go. Alright, well, that will do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Agriculture Guy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and God bless.